No, we don't want any of that.
I gotta stop.
Oh my god, if that falls.
God bless you.
That's high speed. This one's not gonna fall down like the other one.
Still, me scared.
Okay, I'll just throw it here.
Julian,
What?
why do we have to do this?